Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm gonna do my best because I'm new to this. This is my first time actually gonna change the low beam headlights. This is the xenon lights right here that I have. It's two of them. I got them off eBay. Like 17 and bucks, 17 and change, 17 bucks, like about 17 bucks. And you know, with tax, it came up to like 20 something dollars, which is not bad. But this is a 2008 Toyota Avalon. I'm show you guys how to change it. Now it's different from the 2011 and the 12. I notice. All right, so you guys see right there, this right here, boom. Can I turn on my lights? Yes, I can. So you twist this. This is the one that's out. I think I'm gonna have a hard time with I'm gonna have to do more with the one on the driver's side, because I think you're gonna have to remove all of those just to get to it right there. But we're gonna focus on this one right here. Let me see if I could get the camera to set down at an angle properly. Let's try and see. So this right here, I'm trying to get it out. I'm trying to twist it out. That's what I'm trying to get it out. It's hard to do with me using the there we go. Alright, so I got that out. And that shiny piece right there, I think you twist it as well. See it right there? This shiny piece. Twist. Of course, it seems like you have to go left. Go left to do it. I don't know if it's locked in or no. Got it out. Alright, so I twist it out right there, see it? Alright, that part is out. And the last but not least, the headlights is in there. I don't know if you guys could see it. No, you cannot. Can't really see it. I'm trying to get the best angle as possible. Let me see if I could put the camera down there to show you guys how it looks. Nah, I can't get no good angle. But yeah, the angle for the camera is not that great, but I could see it. It's pretty easy to get to. It seems like it's locked into place. It's locked into place. Yeah, I can't really get no good camera, a good camera view to show you guys. Yeah, I can't get a good camera view to show you guys. This is the best that I could do, but it's locked into place, and I gotta see what I gotta do to twist it out, of there. Alright guys, as you can see right there, you have to like pull down those two iron pieces to get the bulb released. If you don't get those two iron pieces pulled down, you are not going to get that bulb out of there. You are not. No matter how hard you try, what you do, you're not going to get it out. So as you can see, man, I was catching hell. Trust me. I was catching hell trying to do it. So that's why I had to like, yo. It's crazy. But yeah, you have to pull down those two metal pieces. And it's kind of hard to see as well while you try to do it. So I had to use my light, you know, to look and see if I could grab it. I grabbed it and I pulled it down. It was hard. It was a challenge. I'm not gonna lie to you guys. It was a challenge. But here I am about to put in the new one, and it will fall into place. You can't put it in wrong. You gotta like push it in and twist, and it'll fall into place. There's no, it's only could go in one way. So once it falls into place, you're gonna feel it, because it's gonna dip. It's gonna go in. So I end up putting that part in, and then you got to put the silver piece back up to lock it into place. That's the hardest part of the whole thing, is to get the silver piece down. Okay, it was locked into place. It wasn't releasing the bulb at all, and you know my hands is kind of big, but hey, I play with it until I get it. You gotta pull down both sides. And last but not least, right there, it was raining as well, so I had to and I was sweating too, so I had to try to dry that part out, and then just twist it back in. It's gonna lock into place. This part right here wasn't no big deal. So I'm sorry that my camera angle was bad. My dad had to come and help me. It was just, I was catching hell, man. I really was. I was catching hell. But yeah, right here I basically just twist it in. It's easy twisting. You know, you just twist that, put it back on top, and just twist it in, lock it in. And then the last part is to put the plastic piece, just screw it back on. You got to line it up properly and get it screwed on. And I screwed it back on right there, that black piece that I took off, to screw it back on. Just line it up, and that's how it looks. Alright guys, so I finally got it. I'm not gonna even lie to you guys, I was catching hell. Like, just to get my finger to pull down those two iron pieces that you saw in the video, that's down, but that's what you got to do to get this released. I was catching hell. And as for how it looks, this side right now is brighter than the other side. The other one is more blue. I don't know if I'm gonna keep it. I'm not really feeling it right now, because the other side is brighter. Well, this side is brighter, because this side is like a more lightish, brightish color. But I don't know if you guys gonna see the view from here. Look, you guys can see right over there, look more bluish on the right side. It look more bluish on this side, and over here is more like a whitish type look. So when I get a chance, I don't know if I'm gonna be able to do it tomorrow, but I'm gonna try to change this one. And this one is gonna be, on this side, it's gonna be a little bit more hectic, because I think I'm gonna have to move the fuse box, and I'm also gonna have to remove the battery as well. And I hate removing my battery, because it's a long story. I'm not gonna even explain to you guys. I don't know if this is the only car that does it, but when I remove my battery and I reinstall it and try to start the car, it shuts off. It shuts off. I have to basically try to start it up, and when I start it, I got to put my foot on the gas and let the power circulate the whole car. Basically, you know, give it gas for a while. Maybe, I don't know, maybe a good 5 minutes I have to do it for. If I take my foot off, the idle is going to drop, and it shuts off the car. And I got to start it up again and let the whole car, you know, let it circulate. Let the alternator start doing its job. But yeah, I got it done. I'm not going to lie, guys. I was catching hell. Like, to get your finger between it to pull down the two silver piece, I was having a hard time. But I got it. As you can see, this one is burnt up. You see it, guys? It's burnt. It's burnt up. It's done. It was still working. That's what I love about Toyota products. Even if this light was no good, it still works. Like, it still worked, but after a while it'll turn off, because it's burnt up. As you can see, it'll turn off. It was turning off. It was still working, and it turned off. Sometimes it don't turn off at all. but sometime in the night, you know, it stay on for a while and then it keeps shutting off. So I got to keep flicking it, and it turn on for a while and then it shut off. It turn off again. That's what I like about Toyota products, because usually if a bulb is blow, it's blow. It's just done. It's not going to give you no more warning. Yeah, give you. So this was giving me a warning since earlier this year. I noticed that it had turned off, and then I turn it off and I turn it back on, and it works. And I was like, yo, I got to change that bulb. I keep procrastinating. I got to change the bulb. It's a whole year, close to a year later, and now I finally get a chance to change it, and this is how it looks. But yeah, guys, I was catching hell though. I'm not gonna lie. I show you guys the part that I actually got the two piece down, the two silver piece. You're gonna see that's hanging down to get this release. To get this out of there, you have to pull down those silver pieces, and it's hard to see. So, but I got it out. I'm happy, and I don't know if I'm happy with that blue. That blue looked dull. It looked like bluish purple. It looked dull to me. I don't know. I'm not feeling it. I love my bright, you know, when I turn my lights on. You feel me? That's the high beam. But yeah. I don't know. I don't know. It looked bluish purple, but I'll see what I'll do. I don't know. I might buy another one. I may not, because as I said, I was having some problems. It was giving me a hard time. And do I want my lights to look purple? Like, real talk. Do I want my lights to look purple? Let me turn it on and see how the high beams look outside. So this is the high beam. They're on right now. It's on. High beam is on right now. I don't know if you guys see a difference. I don't really see a difference. It's just that one more brighter to me, you know. One look more brighter. I don't know. This one is just more bluish, you know. You can see. If I try to hide this side, let me try to hide the left side. This is what you get when I hide the left side, the driver's side. So let me hide this side and see what you get. Basically the same. I'm gonna do the same thing by taking off the high beams and see how it looks. So high beam is off. Let me take off the fog lights. Fog lights is off. So let me do the same thing now. You can see it. Let me hide the right side, the left side, driver's side. I hid. This is what you get. Feel me? All right, now let me hide the right side. This is basically the same thing. You get the same look to me. Let me do it again. This is hidden. This is what you get. That's the new light that I installed. The purple is, well, they say dark blue. That's what it is, dark blue. And let me hide the dark blue. This is what you get. So what you guys think? What you guys think, guys? Yeah, I'm gonna just change it to make it look even. I'm gonna change the other one and make it look even. But let me turn on my fog lights now. Let you guys see how it looks. all together with everything on. Okay, fog lights is on now. Now the fog lights brighten it up even more. Yeah, it's not bad. Not bad. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna change that one. When I get some time, I'm gonna change that one. And I'm gonna also do a video on that one. I know I'm gonna catch hell too. It's gonna give me a lot of problems, because it was my fingers. It was hard to like get my fingers in between it to pull it down. I had to play with it until I finally eventually get it. So yeah guys, that's about it. Thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe. I appreciate the love and support. I'm glad that I got it fixed, you know, even though I never got no ticket, I never got stopped by the cop, because the fog light by itself is bright enough with the one headlights. It looks good, but I had to get it changed because I didn't want to take no chances. But yeah, it looks nice. Peace out, bye bye, take care, God bless. I'm out. Real.